Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what you need to do before the next update in Grow a Garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. The latest update is the Easter update part 3. And in this update, there is a new event called the candy event. In this event, you need to submit candy type plants to the candy box to earn points, and you can claim your rewards according to the points you have. Okay, let me show you the rewards here. Okay, there will be individual rewards and also the team rewards. And before the next update, I would like to recommend you to build a team. Either you want to build it yourself or you can join the team your friend has made, or you can join the other player's team. For me, someone has invited me to a team, and this is my team now, but I'm not the leader because I wasn't the one who created the team. Okay, and once you join a team, you cannot leave. And okay, for the team rewards, you need to earn the certain points. Let me show you the team rewards. Okay, this is the points. 25k points. From 25k points, you will get Easter nests. And yeah, you can monitor the tier here. And for the ultimate reward is the gold wedling willow. You need to have 100k points. So yeah, just build a team and claim your reward before the update. I mean the next update, because the team rewards will arrive at the next update. Okay guys, and that's all what you need to do in the Grow a Garden game of Roblox before next update. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye!